Welcome back to Kids Corner, guys. Today is a special day because we're gonna go fly on an airplane, and I wanted to show you guys how to make a paper plane. This is really great entertainment, especially when you can't play outside. And first you do is you get an A4 size paper. A4 is just the size, it's nothing too technical. Ask your mum and your dad for plenty of A4 size papers. So the first thing you do is you fold it in half, you see, like lengthwise. Make sure your folds are really nicely done, and the more accurate your folding is, the better your plane will fly, because airplanes need to be symmetrical, the same this side as that side. So once you folded your airplane, you know now where the middle of the paper is, and then you fold the triangle in on both sides. Leave a small little gap for the paper to fold. So a lot of guys do a fighter jet, but I do an airplane that can do tricks. So I make my airplane shorter, so I fold it again, and another triangle. Excellent. Everything's still looking good. Right, now your paper should look like this. And what you do now is you fold the one side over to the other side, and it will almost start looking like an airplane. Then, now it's time to do the wings, and you can choose how big your wings need to be. The bigger the wings, the more floppy they are, and the smaller they are, the stiffer they are. So I think kind of in between would be good. I make my wings at an angle, and then you turn it over and you make sure the other wing is exactly the same size as the first wing. Excellent. So now you can make some patterns on your wings. I'm gonna make circles. Here you can use Koki pens. I don't have any Koki pens here, but you can ask your mom to buy you all the colors of Koki pens that you can find. Excellent. So now if you open your airplane up, you see that the wings are not 100% straight. So to stiffen the wings, you can give your wing another fold, just a small one, and it also looks really good if you come with an airplane with like an extra wing. Make sure that again they are the same size. Excellent. So now you can open your wings up. You have your pattern on your wings. You can color it in, and there you have your airplane. Let's go test them, guys. Okay guys, it's time to test our airplanes. You can already see that mine says number 1, and we're gonna see whose plane will fly the furthest. Let's have a look. Okay guys, 3, 2, 1. Say!
Always number 1.
Yay! We have a winner, guys. And it is... yes!